built on the top of a low hill, which was the only one in the entire valley. From this height could see the river, hills, trees, and overall entire valley. And the crops seemed to be laden with the flowers, who always assumed to be the good crop. The earth only needed one thing, is that rain or at least a shower. Lencho who was completely familiar with his field, and Lencho had done nothing since morning. You expect looking towards the northeast and the sky. Today we are actually about to get rain. The woman who was making the dinner, the woman replied, yes, by the God willing. The, the, elder boys were working in the ground, and the younger boys were playing near the house. During the meal, Lencho had predicted. Then, then on that time, the sun, big drops of rain began to fall. And when the Lencho see this, Lencho became very happy, and he went out to enjoying the rain. When he returned home, he shouted and said that these are not the big drops of rain; these are the new silver coins, big drops of 10 cents and small drops of 5 cents. With the sense of satisfaction, he saw his field laden with the flowers or wrapped in a blanket of rain. And after some time, a strong air moving, and these are like the new silver coins. The boys ran to collect the new frozen pears. The man said boldly, it was really not getting better. I hope it may end soon. If it does not end soon, everything is not go well. It would not go well. And for an hour, hairs continuously raining on overall entire valley. The field seemed to be covered with the sheet of seed. There was no one leaf left on the trees. The maca crop was completely destroyed. When the storm ends, Lencho stood in the middle of his fields and said to his boys that a group of locusts lives more than this, but hairs did not left nothing. And this year we will have no corn at all, and this year we will be hungry. That night was full of sorrow. No one who can help us, and all our hard work had gone in vain, and this year we will be hungry. Lencho, a single hope left in his Lencho's mind. He said to his family that not to be sad, no one killed by hunger. If they says that, no more killed by hunger. Lencho kept thinking whole night to help from God, and Lencho was told that God is everywhere, He knows everything, and that to which what is the funeral mind. And Lencho decided. Lencho was laborious farmer who were working in his fields like an animal, but he know how to write. He decided to write a letter to the God and put himself to the post box. The next Sunday he starting to write a letter to God. He wrote in the letter, if you did not help me, I and my family will remain hungry. I need 100 pesos to sow my fields again and to support my family till the next harvest. After finishing the letter, Lencho went out the post office and buy a ticket and stuck on the letter and put it to the mailbox. After some time, an employee saw the letter. He found that and laughed loudly and took the letter to the officer. When the officer saw this letter, he also laughed, and after some time he became serious because when he found the letter writers have unwavering faith in God, and he thinks, I hope to such this faith, but and he think an idea. He decided to help him. He asked his employer for money, and he deducted one part from his salary, and in this deed, interest also helped him, but he was unable to collect the amount written in the letter. But he was able to collect the amount more than half written in the letter, and he put all the money in Lencho's envelope and signed on that letter as a signature God. The next Sunday, Lancho went to post office and asked to employer that any was letter for me. The employee replied, yes, a single letter for you. Wait for a second. The employee went inside the post mailbox room and put a letter and gave the lunch. When the Lancho saw the letter, he did not show any expression on his face, but when he opened the letter, then he became angry. He found that only 70 pesos kept in the letter, but he requested to the God for 100 pesos, and he think someone has stolen his money. Then he said that. And when he then he returned then he went on the counter and buy a paper and pen, and he started to write again letter to the God. And he wrote in the second letter, and I got only 170 pesos out of the 100 pesos. I think that someone has stolen my money.